The Sanctuary of Truth is an unfinished Hindu-Buddhist temple and museum in Thailand. The building is notably constructed entirely out of wood, specifically teak and other woods, and also it contains wood-carved idols and sculptures. Construction first began on the Sanctuary of Truth in year 1981 and continues as of today. Located on 13 hectares of land, the sanctuary features a four-faced Brahma statue on its rooftop. The northern hall features Kuan Yin and other sculptures. The southern hall features astronomical themes, namely the sun, moon, and planets. In addition to sculptures of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, the western hall features representations of classical elements: earth, wind, water, and fire. The eastern hall features familial representations. The wooden sanctuary is over 100 meters tall and makes for an impressive sight against the backdrops of Gulf of Thailand. The indoor space is 2,115 square meters. Every part of 105-meter tall building is covered with wood carvings of Hindu and Buddhist god and goddesses and makes it a most popular visiting place. Building continues to support hand-hewn woodworkers as it's been under construction since year 1981 and still it isn't finished. Tours in multiple languages are led to the building every 30 minutes. Thai dancing performances are at 11:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. The sanctuary is about 3 kilometers from the center of the town.